You love your wooden cabin, but hate the thought of weather damage, rot and insects. Well, today we're showing you how to lock in ultimate protection. So in this video I'm going to show you how we went from this looking to that looking with simply the right product and decent quality brushes. First up, that most important prep and wearing safety gear. I got safety glasses and some rubber gloves, and I'm giving this wooden structure a good sand with Hamilton's 80 grit sandpaper. So forget the eye-watering smell of old school creosote or carbolinium. We're using a product from PowaFix called Kreo Guard, which is a deep penetrating, low odor timber oil that protects your exterior structures with a beautiful, rich, dark brown finish. Now, using the 50mm brush from the Woodcoate 3 brush set, I'm doing all the cutting in. Now, the Woodcoate brush is a natural blonde bristle blend brush designed for applying varnishes, stains, and wood coatings, like I'm applying this to the windy house. Now that all my cutting's done in, I'm going to be applying, as you see, I am applying the Kreo Guard using the Viva 140mm roof brush. The Viva roof brush is primarily used to apply roof paints on various surfaces, but I'm using it to apply the Kreo Guard because it's got a nice high volume of blended synthetic bristles for coating large surfaces. And the second reason is that this brush is cost effective, so ideal to achieve this successful outcome. So there we go, a well-sealed cabin using the PowaFix Kreo Guard and decent quality brushes from Hamilton's. And what does that give us? Always the perfect finish. That's it from me, BernieB and Hamilton's. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel.